Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect Google Ads to Google Sheets. Let's dive in. Alright, so we want Google Ads in Google Sheets and Google Sheets in Google Ads. Let's get into it. Open a new Google Sheets spreadsheet and navigate to the add-ons section and look for Get Add-ons. Search in the search bar for Google Ads and then select the official add-on. This would mean using the one that has been created by Google Ads. Click on Free to install. This will now install it. You'll need to grant some permissions to link your Google Ads account to your Google Sheets account securely. Now access add-ons. Go and look for Google Ads. Click on Create a new report. From your Sheets menu, select which Google Ads account to connect. You can do one account per spreadsheet. Configure your report by choosing data ranges, selecting key metrics like clicks and conversions, and applying any necessary filters. Click Create Report to populate your sheet with live data. Now refresh and manage your reports. So you can keep your data current by selecting Add-ons, Google Ads, Refresh Report whenever you need to update your information and see it in real time. Adjust your report settings anytime through the Report Configuration tab. Share your spreadsheets with team members for seamless collaboration on live campaign data, and grow your ads.